welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be discussing how to ship items to the USA from the UK. I get asked this question over and over again, pretty much all the time. Every week, at least once a week, someone asks me about shipping to the USA and whether you have to pay custom fees and so on and so on. So in this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions and I'm going to dive into my screen and show you exactly how I do it using the Royal Mail service from the UK to the USA. We currently do ship to the US. We have a lot of US customers, but we don't do the EU just because of the new rules and regulations. But I am actually in talks with a few people that are going to help to guide me on how to ship that to the EU. So once I know, I will definitely share with you guys on my channel. So make sure you are subscribed for more tips and tricks on how to run a small business, online business, product business. And let's just get straight into the video. So we're back on the Royal Mail Click and Drop website and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to send to the USA or outside of the UK from a UK country. As soon as we start, we have the option to choose our destination country. Typically it's set on the UK, but we want to go to USA. And guys, this is pretty much the same for Australia and Canada. The EU is going to be completely different. We're just going to showcase how to send to the USA at the moment. So I'm going to put in the weight as 125 grams. And I'm going to be sending a small parcel. So as you can see, the prices are way higher than what it would be to the UK. Unfortunately, it's gone up and up over the years. I do recommend sending tracked. I know you could do standard, but I do recommend tracked just in case, because you never know, it may just get lost in transition and you don't want to have to pay and have an angry customer on the other end. We're going to just do tracked, and then I'm going to put in email address. Here I would put in your customer's email address because that means that they're going to get emails or texts every single stop that the parcel has. So if they need updates and they feel like it's taken long, they should have emails just showing them where the parcel is via the tracking. You would put in your customer's address here and just make sure you put the county. County for UK people is like the state. I know I was completely confused as to what county is, but you may get orders from LA and the county is California. So just make sure you know that. For example, it would be Miami, Florida. So just look into that, and the US postcodes are usually all numbers. This is the most important part here. This is what's going to allow your parcel to actually enter the USA. So you want to make sure you get this correct. You want to put in that you are selling goods. So it's not a gift, it's not documents, unless you are sending documents. But this is going to be sale of goods. Next, you want to put your item description. So I'm going to put satin pillowcase. And then you want to put your customs code. So I'm going to go to I save my customs codes in a note so that I can just simply copy and paste. So you want a trade tariff commodity code, that is what it is. Pillowcases, 2 words. Okay, so here we have like the normal code for that would be. You may want to put other because it's going to be a different fibre. So that could be your commodity code right here. So you'd want to copy that number if it was a satin or silk. So that's what your customs code is, and you want to keep that safe because you will have to keep using it. You also can add it into your Shopify product page. So if you have your product on Shopify where you put your price and how much it costs, there's also a section for the HS custom codes. So you can keep it there for safety. Of course, your country of origin is going to be United Kingdom, quantity 1, the weight, and item value. So ours would be this. Now, it's not going to allow me to continue because obviously we don't have a USA address here. But on the next page, it simply looks like the other video I did previously, which is how to send an item from home. So it will simply just confirm this, and then it will create a PDF with a customs image aside your label. So you'll have your customer's address on a label ready to scan, which you will stick onto your parcel, and alongside that you will get a customs form as well. And that, what I typically do is I will screenshot the customs code, and then I will have to edit that image because it doesn't allow you to sign it. The signature part is empty. So you either want to make sure you print out the customs form and sign it physically with a pen, or you can make a digital signature and just copy and paste that in. So this is what the customs declaration will typically look like. However, it will already have the details in there. So it will have the sender's name, it will have the address, it will have sale of goods, it will have the description, all of that. It will have the HS code. The only thing it won't have is your EORI number. And that is something, again, that you can get from the the government website, sorry. It's free to get, and I think it takes maybe a few days or a few weeks to actually gain your EORI number. This is what you do, you just simply apply for the number and it's free. So that you want to keep aside along with your customs codes. Here obviously is where you sign and date. It will have the date printed on it already. This is a bit of an old customs form. I think they've updated it since then, but here's just a good example. And when it does come from Royal Mail, it doesn't like to print the customs form, it only prints the address form. So what I will do is simply just I screenshot it. So I screenshot it, I open it like this, and this is where I put my signature in. So I'll put my signature here, and then I will put in a text box and I will fill out the EORI number here. And then there you have it. You simply just print, and it should allow you to print that, and it will fit to obviously your DYMO label size. So that is how you simply send to the USA, and once you get to the post office, everything's already done. All they do is just scan it and you're ready to go. So I hope that video was really valuable for you guys and you learned exactly how to ship to the USA, and now you're ready and equipped to send your first order to the USA. If you enjoyed this video or have any further questions, leave them down below. Subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!